Hey guys, Julie here from Julie Designs. I thought I'd try something a little different today, which is a Redbubble haul video. So over the years, I've actually picked up a lot of different products with my art on them. I've been selling my art on Redbubble for several years now. So yeah, I just thought I would show you guys what the products look like in real life. So if you're interested in buying them or interested in selling your art on Redbubble and want to know what the products look like, then make sure you stay tuned to this video. So let's get started on the video. So I thought I'd start with a Redbubble favorite, which are stickers. So when the stickers come, they are actually on a strip and you can take them apart, and then they're on like squares. Okay. I'm kind of new at this, so I suck at showing stuff, but that's what the stickers look like. And I usually like to sort of cut them down actually, so I'll cut the shape just for taking photos and stuff. But yeah, I mean, the stickers are really good quality. I mean, I've never had any bad ones. You can see I've gotten quite a few. Yeah, stickers are great. I actually have some on my sketchbook here as well. I've stuck them all over the front and back. This one, whoops, yeah, these two at the top are mine, and the rest of these here are actually from some other artists that I know on Instagram. If you're interested in any of the products actually that you see in this video, just leave a comment and I'll try to remember to link to some of them as well, just in case you guys are interested. I have more on the back here. This is the transparent. This guy is a transparent sticker. So you can see they're pretty like crisp and good quality stickers. Let's see if I can, yeah. So yeah, I've never had any issues with the stickers. They're really cute, durable. Yeah, thumbs up to the Redbubble stickers. So the next product I have here are coasters. So I got this set of coasters. They come in a set of 4 coasters, and they've got like the cork on the back. This one, I don't know, the image almost came out a little bit blurry. I don't know if you can see that, but it still looks good. So I'm not like unhappy with it, and it's really glossy. I like the quality of the coasters. So yeah, another thumbs up for that. And I couldn't go without showing you the masks. So this is my sort of cheetah leopard print pattern that I made. And this is the fitted mask, so it has a little band in the nose, like a little metal band. And this is a small size, actually. The teen size is what I got because I have a pretty small face, and yeah, the bigger masks tend to be too big on me. But yeah, this one's perfect, and it's got the little adjustable bead things. So yeah, masks from Redbubble are also a really good seller for me. So yeah, masks are good. Thumbs up on masks. Wear a mask. So what else do I have here? I've also got socks. These are the socks with my my mandala design pattern that I have. Yeah, they're really cute and cozy, good quality. The print looks really nice. Yeah, I mean, they're a little bit expensive though, so if you're buying them as like a gift or something, that kind of makes sense. If you're just buying socks because you need more socks, like I wouldn't recommend it for just like everyday socks. But yeah, if you just need like cute socks for like Christmas or something, they're good for that for sure. Oh, I'm also wearing the sleeveless blouse, the Redbubble sleeveless blouse, and it's pretty cute. I've like worn it to work and everything. I work in a pretty casual office, so you kind of see it's like black on the back, But yeah, the print is really nice. I've had people compliment me on it pretty often. Yes, there is more. I have a t-shirt. It's pretty old now. I've worn it, like it's well worn, this t-shirt, so but it's still looking pretty good, and it's comfortable, you know, great for just like hanging out around the house or going out pairing with jeans, like running to the store or something, since that's all we do anymore, right? This is the, what is this one called? It's like a chiffon blouse, I think is what it's called on Redbubble. And the chiffon blouse is also really nice, as you can tell. It's a little bit see-through. Like I have to wear like a black tank top underneath this, but like the print, it's cute for sure. This is like my galaxy forest design here. Yeah, these are all my designs. I just bought my own stuff because I wanted to take photos and, you know, for my social media and stuff. So yeah, I got, this is a scarf. The scarf is so nice. It's like silky and it's really big. I mean, like it's huge. I usually kind of wrap it up and wear it like this. It matches my top right now, but normally I would be like wearing a jacket with it or whatever. Yeah. I have some more photos of me wearing this and actually some of the other clothes that I'm showing today, so I'll link those down below, like on my blog and stuff. I have some blog posts of especially this dress here, which is the last thing I think that I have. Yeah, the dress, the A-line dress. Whoops, that's kind of like awkward. Okay. It's kind of hard to get the scale, but it comes down to about like my knees. I'm really short. I'm only 5 feet tall, so be a little bit shorter on a regular sized person. But yeah, the dress is really nice. Like the fabric is nice. The print is just like really vibrant, and it looks like even better honestly than it did on the computer. This is kind of like a watercolor. I took like watercolor elements and created this pattern, so you can see kind of the different kind of stuff you can put on these, and yeah, they just look really nice. Again, I'll link all the photos that I have of me wearing any of the products. Yeah, I didn't really want to like model them too much today, but this top, you got that. Anyway, I hope that you guys found this video useful and interesting, and that you liked seeing the products in real life. If you want to see more videos like this, I actually have like Society 6 products and some stuff from TeePublic and the other print-on-demand websites where I sell my art. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.